Stepping into the fourth day of his high-octane campaign, Suraj Debbarma, the candidate for the 18 Tagarjala Jampui Jala ADC constituency, conducted an extensive door-to-door drive on Tuesday. The campaign, aimed at solidifying grassroots support ahead of the April 12 TTAADC elections, saw the candidate navigating through the interior pockets of the constituency. Suraj Debbarma was accompanied by hundreds of enthusiastic party supporters as he visited numerous households across the village committees. Rather than opting for large-scale rallies, the candidate focused on listening to the specific grievances of villagers regarding local infrastructure and administrative services. Discussing the roadmap for the constituency under the next council administration and urging the electorate to participate in large numbers on polling day to ensure a decisive mandate. The fourth day of the drive was marked by significant energy, with supporters waving party flags and shouting slogans throughout the march.
Tini ani fourth day ni tini campaign khaimani sine ani Tagarjala area 1 constituency ba campaign khaimang angor tini malai rupaka sine Mr. Sim music director bobe phai bobe tak bas kana sine chobani bai kan katal sami tango te ang ani chobani takukte bu sonomon koyani muchung choba kaplai khainani bai sin thancha matong bisingo pal khema tonglai tamli pal hingse sal haisi and ang pujo tongo bas kani ochong baribo norok joto no bobagrano logirwei Tipra satase keplaingai ADC hapang ketal khani 2026 thungai tongo 2021 simi 2026 phaika o 26 bahino Tipra Motha bobagran netrito tasha ADC hapang khawai Tipra sani je o 6 schedule no jeng Tipra sani yagono chabi ma tonnai haisi buni dofani borono kun din tongai mangla karon omo o the TTAADC 6 schedule amongka Tipra soni amongka kebo national party ni aro kuno boroni kaisa bethai kri mo regional party by namjak 6 schedule aboni baino ang koyani muchung joto Tipra sa taku burkhurok make up your mind to save our next generations, make up your mind to protect your 6 schedule areas ambai
tini camping ni bagai ongkhorman hingke bo area ong khorja khatin
tini ma ngoro phajar lampra hatini simi tabu hostel kami and pure tabu tufaina mura natak zabra para or ke tinang me campaign khai tongo dur to khainani emon kuno nangya kintu public ro just ano nainani muchungjago candidate sabo bobagra bai sabo chongjaka basik jorati chongjaka afona sabo nai muchung kintu apply ni bai abo no proshno no doubt aba hani apply nai
tini je camping ong tini public rong ni reaction bom haimang khatai reaction manai ni bakhaw bom haima tongkha
I hope o jagabo opposition khasipon vote bangla je samote kai karan joto no bobagra ni thanja abo Suraj Debbarma hamjagi abo Tipra sabda fa bobagra hamjagi Tipra saro moni believable both sini Tipra Motha arno somarion dunai abo no doubt
The 18 Tagarjala Jampui Jala seat is considered a key battleground in the upcoming polls. Reported by Boyar from Tagarjala, Chini, Khorang.